Hello everyone, I'm very happy here to introduce you a new innovative tool from Lenovo. This tool can help you better use Lenovo monitors and improve your productivity, and can also help IT managers to do remote management. Usually, the normal way to adjust the monitor settings is using the buttons on the screen. I'm going to adjust the color mode. I'm going to select input source. But it takes several steps to get to the right place from the menu. You can see it's very hard to do that, and it would be a nightmare to manage a large number of monitors. So, in order to resolve this kind of pain points, we developed this tool, the Lenovo ThinkColor, to help you use the monitor more efficiently. ThinkColor is a software name, and is developed based on the Lenovo Display Control Center platform. This is the home page, the basic information, the hot feature controls, and the navigator to features. Now click the link to open the user manual document. Easy to adjust brightness, contrast, easy to change color mode. We have two groups of features, basic and advanced. Every group has rich features, and every model has different features. Let's change the color gamma. Just click the icon you want. The color space will change immediately. Also easy to adjust the RGB gain separately. You can easily select the HDR mode, response time level, and many other options. On some high-end monitors, we have the KVM Switch feature. This feature enables you use one set of monitor, keyboard, and mouse to control multiple PCs. You just need to double-click the control button to switch between the host PCs. Another important feature is picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture feature. Just simply click the PIP PBP button to switch the display mode. And you can move the PIP window to anywhere as you like, and even resize it. You can easily adjust the resolution and refresh rate, and you can set the default sound device more intuitively. You can save your settings, apply, import, or export profiles. And we have the task scheduler to make your monitor automatically change settings along with the time elapsed in a day. The adaptive color enables you to associate an application with a color mode. Then, when you open the application, the associated color will be automatically applied. We have a very powerful desktop partition function. Go to the desktop partition feature page to set partitions for every monitor. And also, you can set the partitions closing multiple monitors. Then drag an application window, put it into the desired destination partition. You can also put your application window into a partition closing multiple monitors. If your system has connected to multiple monitors, you can sync the settings of one monitor to others. Select the source monitor, the settings you want to sync, and the target monitors. Click Sync to make them the same. On the occasion when you can't find your mouse, you can enable the mouse positioning feature and shake your mouse to find it. When we use multiple monitors, we often experience trouble moving the mouse from one screen to another. In ThinkColor, if you enabled the automatic closing screen feature, then when you move the mouse will automatically close the border where it is usually blocked. In the setting page, you can set shortcut keys for often used functions. Customize hot features displayed on the home page. We developed the ThinkColor server version to help IT managers to manage monitors remotely. This is a list of collected monitors. You can see the status, scenario mode, and other settings. We can list them by host or by monitor. And here are the controls that can be applied to selected monitors. The IT manager needs to manage many monitors at the same time in a large office. He selects the monitors and applies the expected color mode to them. Sometimes the IT manager wants to turn off all the monitors ahead of the weekend. He simply selects the monitors and clicks Power Off to turn them off. This is a short introduction of the Lenovo ThinkColor. With its powerful functions and extendable architecture, I believe it will make your work easy and enjoyable.